Scientists calculated the universe's birth 13.8 billion years ago by studying how fast galaxies move away from Earth. So what was happening 13.9 billion years ago? To answer what happened 13.9 billion years ago, we first need to explore the nature of time. Einstein's theory of relativity tells us that time doesn't exist independently, but is bound together with space and matter as the fourth dimension. The Big Bang 13.8 billion years ago wasn't just the beginning of matter, but also the start of time and space. Before that starting point, there was no space, no sequence of events, and time didn't exist. According to Stephen Hawking, asking what was before the Big Bang is like asking what's south of the South Pole. It's an invalid question, because the South Pole is the starting point. 13.8 billion years ago is time zero. 13.9 billion years ago cannot be described by time. It belongs to a state where no physical laws existed. It's beyond human comprehension, because the human brain only emerged after the Big Bang. However, there are currently several theories attempting to describe what was before the Big Bang. First is quantum vacuum fluctuation from quantum mechanics. Quantum physicists believe that even in empty space, energy fluctuates randomly, creating tiny particles and antiparticles. The Big Bang might be this quantum fluctuation, amplified to the extreme. 13.9 billion years ago might have been spaceless quantum foam, with energy jumping around chaotically, until one fluctuation triggered the starting point, causing the Big Bang. Another idea is the cyclic universe theory. Before the Big Bang might have been a previous universe contracted to its limit, like a spring compressed to its tightest point before bouncing back. 13.9 billion years ago might have been the end of the previous universe, with time and space collapsing to a point, then expanding again. If our universe changes from expansion to contraction in the future, it might also trigger another Big Bang, creating a new universe. The multiverse theory suggests that our universe is just one of countless universe bubbles. 13.9 billion years ago might have been a larger parent universe, from which our starting point hatched. Each universe bubble has its own time zero. 13.9 billion years ago is pre-time for us, but just an ordinary moment for the parent universe. But whether it's quantum foam, cyclic universe, or multiverse, these are all just speculation, with no direct evidence, because the Big Bang's initial state is where all physical laws break down. Current theories attempting to describe the origin and what came before are destined to remain unverifiable. If the universe is cyclic, we might face a big crunch in the future. If we're part of a multiverse, other universes might even collide with ours in the future. But if the universe never contracts, then dark energy will eventually push all galaxies beyond our light cone and tear apart all matter in the universe. Currently, the most promising place to explore the universe's nature isn't actually in the depths of distant space, but inside particle accelerators on Earth, because they create the highest energy densities on our planet. If power levels increase further in the future, we might recreate the moment of the Big Bang, producing a fleeting miniature universe.